Oh. Hi everyone, welcome back. I am about to embark on a decluttering process. I'm going through my wardrobe, and when I say my wardrobe, I feel like I need to explain something. I don't have a wardrobe yet. I've lived in this house for over a year. I still don't have a wardrobe. I have a whole wardrobe room which is currently filled with boxes. I've got a chest of drawers, which doesn't quite cut the mustard. And then I've got boxes, you can see. That's why my room is always a mess, because I actually don't have anywhere to put my clothes. Clothes are a huge part of what I do. I have a lot of them. I'm gonna do a decluttering today, and I'm going to try and get rid of at least one box full of clothes. I'm gonna take all of them out of the boxes, put them on my bed, do the cull, and one of the boxes is gonna then get filled with clothes that I'm going to sell on Depop, or I'm going to donate to charity shops. I donated a bag of clothes and beauty products last week, and I want to try and do one every week. So I'm doing it in kind of bite-sized chunks so that it's not crazy overwhelming. But like I've said previously, I've dropped about 3 or 4 dress sizes, so there are still clothes in my house that don't fit me at all. They are way too big for me now. This is a part 1 though. I will definitely be doing part 2, 3, and when I eventually get, because I will be getting a built-in wardrobe. So also, I apologize for this horrific lighting. It's a bedroom, not a studio. I will be getting like proper built-in wardrobe storage. That is a little bit down the line. Working with what we've got, ladies. Working with what we've got. This isn't going to be my best work, but it might be satisfying. Okay, so let's clear out my wardrobe. Let me grab a box. Okay, welcome to my wardrobe. I'm going to take everything out of this box and then put the box there. Now, this is the top box, so I do have a feeling that I'm going to want to keep a lot of this, because the boxes that work their way up to the top are usually the things that I wear the most. That's why they're on the top, because I'm washing them. You know, we might be able to get some stuff out of here. And I'm also going to have a box put aside for summer clothes that I currently am not wearing, that I'll put with my Christmas stuff. Right, empty box. Maybe we should make this the summer clothes box. We shall see. Right, first thing, North Face jacket that I bought for Bolivia and Peru. That is gonna stay for when I do cold weather activities. You're a keeper, because I don't really have anything like you. Great start, Em. What is this? Oh, okay, this is a memory thing. I'm gonna keep this for now, because I think I'm gonna cut it up and stick it into my scrapbook. So I'm just gonna put that there. Cute little summer top. I like that, but that's gonna go into the summer clothes box. So is this shirt. Cute little summer shirt. I do love this cord. Somewhere there are the shorts that match, which I need to find. Oh my god, my friend Izzy made me this. She embroidered this shirt for me. How cool is that? I need to wear this. You're staying, mate. You are staying. Coloured, patterned t-shirts, like basics, workout t-shirts, turtleneck, long sleeves, and then I've put the summer stuff in that box. I've got one rail, so I have to be quite decisive about what makes it onto the rail. I already have 4 more things to put on the rail, and the rail was basically full. Not the best. Let's keep this party moving. I'm just gonna put it here. Oh, I love this dress, but it shrunk. I think this is a donate. Donate! storage solution for sweatshirts, because sweatshirts are my favorite. I have hundreds. I have so many sweatshirts and I don't know what to do because I can't throw them away. Like, how could I I mean, this is probably my most worn item of clothing. Today, my amigo. We've been through far too much together for me to throw you away. Of course, so can you. Scooby-Doo. You've got to stay, mate, of course. And my fishies. This is so hard. Right, let's stay. Sorry. Okay, shorts. See you in the summer, babes. I'm realizing now I own a lot of tie-dye. I love it though. I love tie-dye. Oh my goodness, you guys. These jeans. These were my favorite jeans. But they're too big for me now. I'm gonna donate. I love this top. Welcome back to my wardrobe, friend. You have been missed. There you go. Back in the game. Okay. I got this tiger top ages ago and I've literally never worn it, and now it doesn't fit me, so Depop for one of you lot. Oh, this, oh, I love this jumpsuit. Depop, Depop, Depop. Okay, this is probably the ugliest item of clothing that I own. I got it in Sucre in Bolivia. We went to the dinosaur museum and it's neon green with a dinosaur on it, but I can't get rid of it. So this can go in the pajama pile. I can't be parting with that, not quite yet. Oh, another hideous t-shirt that I would literally have never bought if I wasn't in Peru. That's another pajama top. Thanks for the memories. As Fall Out Boy would say. Oh my god, cargo pants. I should rock these more. Okay. Let's keep you. Summer, but only if I'm going to a cooler climate because they show sweat like nothing else. What is this? Converse t-shirt. Again, another Peruvian purchase. I just bought loads of bright coloured t-shirts. Oh, I love this dress. So many memories. I'm gonna be selling a pair of Do You Even peach leggings, never worn, brand new, and a pair of Gymshark leggings in this amazing mint, also brand new, never worn, no longer fit me. These will be going up on my Depop. My favourite blue Dree jeans, they're going. Progress is being made. This box is now only socks and a couple of bras. This was full of clothes, no longer. This was full of clothes, no longer. This is all the summer clothes that needs to get put into storage where I keep my Christmas stuff. This is the Depop box. I said I wanted to fill one box. It is fill and some. Fill? Wow. It is full and some, so that's great. Charity bag, I want this to be full, so I might go through the Depop boxes. I actually have loads of Depop boxes in my wardrobe that I haven't posted yet. So, as in like I haven't put on Depop, not that I haven't sent to you if you've bought it. So I think I might go through those, give away some of this stuff because I don't need to sell everything. Get that bag nice and full. I need to find homes for the stuff still on this bed. Up here is like sportwear, tops, more tops, lingerie. And then here is my one rail where I have coats, dresses, kimonos, jumpers, basically everything on one rail, and it is dying. And here are jeans and trousers and my sweatshirts, and then boots. Depop, summer, needs a home, charity, and a clear bed. Perfect. For now. Not perfect, but better. So there's still a lot to go through, but I'll go through it all with you guys. Over time it's focusing on the mess, not on me, which is also a mess. I'm not gonna do these like regularly, I'm just gonna do them when I can face it. Hope you guys enjoy. Thanks for watching. See you in my next one. Bye.